being here today, and I want you to give yourselves a hand. My mistreatment by Anthem is not unique. Over the past 16 months, the Virginia Organizing Project has knocked on more than 300,000 doors all across the Commonwealth. And we hear story after story after story of people who have been totally abused by Anthem and other health insurance companies. We also have had dozens of community meetings, and not one goes by without people saying, I have another story, I have another story, I have another story. It's time that we change the story. But let's talk about this for a second. We really don't have many options in Virginia. When they say, hey, if you don't like what you're getting from Anthem, go someplace else. Well, there aren't that many someplace else's to go. There's not a very competitive market, and so you get kind of stuck. So here's what Anthem can do and what they can demand of us. They demand more money for premiums. We have to pay it. They demand that we see the doctors that are in their network. We have to do it. They demand that we not get critical tests, procedures, and treatment. We have to forego it. This card doesn't get you very far sometimes, even though in the Virginia Organizing Project, we're paying them more than $25,000 a month in premiums. It's time that we start to demand some things out of Anthem and other health insurance companies. First, they should not stand between a doctor and a patient when it comes to deciding what care that patient needs.
Yep.
They should not deny or raise rates for individuals or businesses based on a pre-existing medical condition, and they need to end arbitrary caps on payments for necessary medical care. They need to terminate policies or incentives that reward Anthem employees financially or otherwise for denying claims and rejecting claims. And they have to stop using our money to lobby against us.
Yep. Right.
The healthcare industry is spending $641,000 today to lobby against our best interests. And folks, it's pretty simple. It's all about greed and force. It's all about greed and force. And we have one more demand for Anthem, and that's that they stop arresting their customers who come to their corporate headquarters, show them their card, and ask them a question.
Absolutely. Right. Yeah.
I hope, too, that we can challenge Anthem to quit wasting taxpayers' money by these kind of things. We're going to go in there, and there's a judge, and there's a bunch of people who work for the sheriff's office and other county employees who are going to spend a lot of taxpayer money dealing with this case. But I would be remiss as an organizer for not asking you to take some direct action right now. If you will please take out your cell phones. You can't take them in the courthouse, so you'll have to do it now. But if you'll take out your cell phone, give everybody a second to get ready. And if you'll dial 1-877-264-4226, 877-264-4226. That's going to connect you to the Capitol switchboard. Please tell your members of Congress that enough is enough. We need to change the broken system that we have. Make sure that today, everywhere you go, you keep that number in your cell phone. Get people to continue to call. We'll be having a delegation meet with Senator Mark Warner on Thursday at noon. And we hope that you can provide some support before we go to that meeting. Thanks very much, and thank you for coming.